Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your academic credit cards account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So to log into your academic credit cards account, firstly, open your Google search. Type in academic credit card login and make a search. It will display the results. Tap on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of academic credit card account. In order to log into your account, enter your user ID and password associated with your academic credit cards account. Check your password by clicking on Show option to make sure that you have entered it correctly. If you want to keep yourself logged in, click on Remember Me. In case you have forgotten your password or username, click on Forgot Username or Password. After entering your username and password, click on Sign In. This is how you can log into your academic credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.